Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use private browsing in Safari in iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here click on Utilities folder. Now here click on Settings app. Now in Settings scroll down, click on General. Now here click on Software Update. So make sure your software update is latest iOS 26.01. So after the updating, go back to settings. Now here scroll down, click on screen time. Now here scroll down, click on content and privacy restriction. Now here click on App Store, Media and Web Game. Now here click on Web Contact. So make sure click on unrestricted. So after click on unrestricted, go back and go to App Library. Now here click on Utilities folder. Now here click on Safari. Now in Safari, click on this three dot icon. Now here click on All tabs. So click on Private. So click on Unlock. So enter your passcode. So you want to search anything, any website in private browsing. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use private browsing in Safari in iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start. So hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.